Hey guys, Dr. Ridhima Shetty here, and today we're going to talk about a very short topic, that is the female external genitalia. This is a topic that a lot of people shy away from discussing, because of which there are a lot of myths and a lot of misinformation spread regarding it. And I feel like the only way to get rid of misinformation is by spreading the right information. And it is nothing to be shy about, because it's our own bodies and we should most definitely be aware about each and every part of our body. If a woman were to lie down, flex her knees and separate her legs, this is what we would see. This entire external structure is not the vagina, but it is the vulva. The vagina is in fact completely inside, and what we can see externally is only the entrance to the vagina, known as the vestibule.
What the hell's going on over here?
The female genital area basically consists of 3 orifices or 3 holes, starting in ascending order. The lowest one being the anus, above that being the vestibule or the entrance to the vagina, and above that the urethra, where we pee from.
Oh my God!
The lips of the vagina are basically 2 in number, externally called as the labia majora and the internal one called as the labia minora. Both of them engulf the urethra and the vaginal entrance or the vestibule. Right where the labia minora meet, above that is a small knob-like or button-like structure known as the clitoris. The clitoris is one of the most sensitive parts of the female genitalia. It is the female counterpart of the glans penis in the male. So what we see externally is just a small part of the clitoris. Now if we were to cut this structure exactly in the middle, what we would see from top would be this view. This is the cervix, which connects to the uterus, and the part which connects the cervix to the vestibule or the vaginal entrance. This entire tunnel is what we call as the vagina. It is completely inside you and it cannot be seen externally. Now, what we saw outside of the clitoris was only the small knob-like structure, but recent studies have shown that the clitoris is actually shaped like this. What we see externally is only this, and what extends right on top of the anterior vaginal wall in cut section entirely. This is what would be the clitoris right on top of the anterior vaginal wall, which is why the anterior vaginal wall stimulation is also what they commonly call as the G-spot, because what you're actually stimulating is the clitoris, the entire body of the clitoris.
Stop, you're making me blush, dude.
So as a homework for today, I want all you women watching this video to get your hand mirrors out, to lie down on the bed in a comfortable position and observe and recognize your own body, recognize your own external genitalia, and just get to know yourself better. Yeah, bye.
It's like you're my mirror. My mirror staring back at me.